In this lesson, we will install Claude code. First, we will pause our antivirus. I got a call and I'm going to ignore it. Now we're going to run DOS prompt. And we will get the command curl to install Claude code. This is the command. This is the command. While it's doing this, we will keep the environment variables ready. And here we'll keep the path ready. Okay, and we say okay, and we say okay. So it asks us to install this in the path, which we have done it while installing it. We close this, we open another DOS prompt, and then we type Claude. Yes, we press enter. We open Claude with subscription. Yay! Authorize. Sign in again to continue. Continue with Google. Select the account. Continue. Authorize. We are all set for Claude code. Now we press enter to continue. Enter to continue. Yes, I trust this folder. That's it. Claude code has been installed on our PC.